Part 3, the Browning version. Mr. Frank, young science teacher, and Taplow are talking to each other, and we see what happens next. And I don't know any boy who doesn't use that for his own purpose. When Taplow says that uh, his teacher, Mr. Crocker Harris, is a sort of a person who hates a person who likes him. To this, he says. He replies that he doesn't know any boy who doesn't use this for his own purpose. Taplow कहता है, well, it's natural, sir, not with Mr. Crocker. He doesn't like any person who likes him. Mr. Crocker Harris. Taplow, Mr. Crocker Harris. The funny thing is that, in spite of everything, I do rather like him. Taplow but admit करता है कि but in spite of all these things, he likes him. I can't help it. And sometimes I think he sees it and that seems to shrivel him up even more. और टेप्लो कहता है कि सर ये ऐसा लगता है कि उन्हें ये बात पता है कि मैं उन्हें लाइक करता हूँ और इसलिए ही डजंट शो एनी इमोशन टू मी. आई एम श्योर यू आर एग्जैजरेटिंग. फ्रैंक कहता है मुझे ऐसा लगता है तुम ओवर स्टेट कर रहे हो, तुम कुछ ज़्यादा ही बड़ा चढ़ा कर कह रहे हो. नो सर, आई एम नॉट. इन्फॉर्म द अदर डे ही मेड वन ऑफ हिज क्लासिकल जोक्स. देन टेप्लो कहता है सर वो एक अपना क्लासिकल जोक सुना रहे थे. ऑफ कोर्स नो बडी लाव बिकॉज नो बडी अंडरस्टूड इट, माई सेल्फ इंक्लूडेड. कहता है मैं भी उसको समझ नहीं पाया बिकॉज इट वॉज ग्रीक. स्टिल आई न्यू ही हैड मेंट इट एज फनी सो आई लाव. कहते सर मैं हंसने लगा क्योंकि सर ने को पता था कि ये फ़नी जोक है, सर ने कहा था. आउट ऑफ ऑर्डनरी कॉमन पोलाइटनेस एंड फीलिंग अ बिट सॉरी फॉर हिम फॉर हैविंग मेड अ पुअर जोक. सर आई जस्ट लाफ बिकॉज ऑफ कॉमन पोलाइटनेस. कर्टसी से के लिए मैं हंसने लगा एंड आई वॉज फीलिंग सॉरी कि उन्होंने इतना पुअर जोक सुनाया. नाउ आई कांट रिमेंबर वॉट द जोक वॉज बट सपोज आई मेक इट नाउ यू लाफ सर. कह रहे सर अगर मैं वो जोक सुनाऊँ यू विल लाफ. फ्रैंक लाफ्स. Taplow in a gentle throaty voice. Now again वो उनकी throaty voice में बड़ा sound low sound में सुनाता है. He again imitates his teacher. You laughed at my little joke, I noticed. I must confess that I am pleased at the advance your Leighton has made since you so readily have understood what the rest of the form did not. तो टेप्लो उनकी आवाज़ में कहता है कि कैसे मिस्टर क्रॉकर हैरिस ने टेप्लो को कहा कि यू लाव्ड एट माई जोक, इट मीन्स यू आर टेकिंग एडवांस, यू आर प्रोग्रेसिंग इन लैटिन. Perhaps now you would be good enough to explain it to them. तो कहता है now you explained it to the rest of the form, rest of the class, so that they too can share your pleasure. जिससे कि वो भी हंस पड़े, तुम्हारी pleasure को समझ सके. The door upright is pushed open and Millie Crocker Harris enters. She is a thin woman in her late 30s, rather more smartly dressed than the general run of schoolmasters' wives. So she is more smarter than other wives. She is wearing a cape, a sleeveless cloak, and carries a shopping basket. She closes the door and then stands by the screen watching Taplow and Frank. It is a few seconds before they notice her. Frank, come along, Taplow, moves slowly above the desk. Do not be so selfish as to keep a good joke to yourself. Tell the others. He breaks off, suddenly noticing Millie. Oh Lord. Frank उसे पहले तो encourage करता है कि you tell the joke, but when he sees Millie, wife of Mr. Crocker Harris, he says, अरे, oh Lord. He's afraid कि कहीं उसने सुन ना लिया. Frank turns quickly and seems infinitely relieved at seeing Millie. फिर वो एकदम से infinitely means greatly relieved feel करता है. Oh, hello. Without expression, Millie says hello. She comes down to the sideboard. Sideboard means drawer, and puts her basket on it. Taplow moving up to left of Frank, whispering frantically. एकदम वो whisper करता है कुछ एकदम से. Frantically means madly, quickly. Do you think she heard? Taplow कहता है क्या इन्होंने सुन तो नहीं लिया? Frank shakes his head comfortingly. Millie takes off her cape and hangs it on the hall stand. और फ्रैंक उसको हेड कंफर्टिंगली मना करते हैं कि नहीं, शायद नहीं सुना. एंड मीन वाइल मिली टेक्स ऑफ और केप, वो टंगा देती हैं. आई थिंक शी डिड. वो कहता है यस, मुझे लगता है उन्होंने सुन लिया. शी वॉज स्टैंडिंग देयर क्वाइट अ टाइम. वो कुछ पहले से खड़ी थी. इफ़ शी डिड एंड शी टेल्स हिम देयर गोज माई रिमूव. कह रहा अगर ये वहाँ खड़ी थी, इन्होंने सुन लिया तो मेरा तो रिमूव गया. नॉन सेंस. ही क्रॉसेज टू द फायर प्लेस. Millie takes the basket from the sideboard, moves above the table and puts the basket on it. Millie अब Taplow को देखती है and she talks to Taplow. Waiting for my husband? Taplow. Moving down left of the table. Yes. Millie says he is at the bursar's and might be there quite a time. If I were you, I would have go. I had go. Millie कहती है he has gone to some bursar's, some shop and he will come. वो कहती है if I were you, अगर मैं तुम्हारी जगह होती मैं चली जाती. Taplow doubtfully. Now Taplow doesn't understand why she's saying this. He said most particularly I was to come. Taplow कहता but उन्होंने कहा था कि मैं यहाँ पर मुझे यहाँ पर मिलना है. Well, why don't you run away for a quarter of an hour and come back? तो मिली कहती है तुम जाओ and you come after 40 minutes or so. She unpacks some things from the basket. Supposing he gets here before me, Taplo कहता है अगर वो मुझसे पहले आ गए. Now Millie smiles. She understands. I'll take the blame. Millie कहती है मैं blame ले लूँगी. Then she takes a prescription out of the basket. I tell you what, you can do a job for him. Take this prescription to the chemist and get it made up. Then Millie tells him to do some work. वो उसे कहती है ये प्रेस्क्रिप्शन डॉक्टर का ले जाओ और केमिस्ट से कुछ दवाई ले आओ. All right, Mrs. Crocker Harris. He crosses towards the door right up. And he goes and Millie finally takes the blame. So this is all about the play, how 16-year-old boy, he sees about his teachers. Though he hates him, but he likes him inside also. He likes his ways, how he's different from others. Hope you understood the video. Thank you. Stay safe.